This is my 911. This is a 1979 3-litre SC, and it looks a bit odd with the deck lid painted like that, but to give you a bit of a rundown, I'll just show you what I've done to it. So what I did last year was I spent a little bit of time converting it to EFI and turbo. I'm not sure if you can see in there. I'll just try and get the camera in, but you can see I've got 3.2 litre intake manifolds, and I've obviously got an intercooler on it now. Just using the stock 3.2 litre fuel rails. I am using a crank and cam sensor unit from Adapt Motorsport. And I've got just a little exhaust here, just a centrally mounted exhaust, and you can see my turbo under there. The ground is hot. It is really hot today, so it's a bit hard to get on the ground without burning myself. And you can see the wastegate under there, hopefully, and the turbo. And the exhaust and the intercooler were done by Ezra. It's got a little company called WinFab. I'll try and show you the exhaust. Oh God, the ground is hot and sharp. And that's the exhaust there. A bit hard to get under there, but I think you can get the idea. So what I've done here is I found a second-hand deck lid, and it was already cut for a giant intercooler and had one of those great big ginormous wings on it, which looked a bit stupid. So threw that away, and I just had this primed and sealed. And I'm just waiting for the paint shop to come back to work so they can paint it and try and match the colour as best they can. And then I will get the spoiler put back on. Looks kind of purposeful at the moment though. It looks a little bit odd, but yeah. Right. Let's go for a drive.